Hello, this is Life Points with Rhonda, your life coach. Today, I am speaking with the collective on health and fitness, but our topic is peace. Now, I know that your time is valuable, so let's get started. Okay? Not normally associated with health and fitness, peace is actually as important as diet, nutrition, and exercise for the maintenance of our bodies. Peace is different from contentment. Contentment is a matter of the mind, a deliberate choice arrived at a logic and determination. Peace is a matter of the heart, and there are things that we can do to help arrive at the right kind of peace in our lives. But they are not limited to intellectual exercises of identification, evaluation, assessment, and practical decision making. Peace is the absence of stress. It is the epitome of being settled, a state of calm that comes over us no matter what our circumstances. It is not about settling for less than, but a product of a soul at rest, even as our minds are actively seeking betterment, solutions to problems, and the achievement of higher and higher goals. Our busy lives are full of stressors, and peace eliminates their effect upon our bodies and our minds. Peace is therefore vital to our physical and mental health. Peace is a condition that affects our biological state. It is a mystery how something so psychological and spiritual can improve our chemistry inside of our anatomy, but it does. It slows our heart rate, improves our breathing, as it allows greater oxidation of our blood. Our energy levels improve. Our circulation is more effective. Our nerves function more properly. It has been shown to even reduce chronic pain. But more than anything, it is able to change your perspective. A change in perspective will directly affect your stress levels. Less worry and anxiety results from an altered mental state. Although there are medications that can be prescribed to assist you with this, they are normally not necessary. Most of us are able to achieve peace that creates lower stress levels without drugs. We become expert at seeing things differently, and suddenly, those events and circumstances that used to disrupt our peace no longer have the same effect on us. Have you ever observed a person who possesses a great peace in the midst of a violent storm? It is the medic's practiced hands focused on saving a soldier's life in the middle of a deadly battle. It is the massive oak tree refusing to yield to that Cat 5 hurricane's relentless power. It is the skilled trial attorneys walking a jury through reasonable doubt in the face of the formidable forces aligned against her client. It is the husband who assures his family that they are safe now, that he is home from work in light of rising crime in their neighborhood. It is mommy's kiss on the band-aid as she covers her child's scraped knee. Peace is an odd thing. It can be unpredictable and uncontrollable. It may surprise you with its ability to provide you with unnatural endurance when you can't stand anything else to go wrong. It will flatter you with strength when you thought that you couldn't hold on any longer. It can give you vision in complete darkness, understanding in the midst of noisy confusion, and grace when you thought that you'd lose it. Peace can come to you from God, a peace that passes understanding. It can come to you from within yourself when your soul rises up to lead your mind out of its funk, your body through the valley of the shadow of death. It can come from a loved one who cares deeply enough for you to be that perfect friend to you in your time of need, giving you the right words and touch at the right time and in the right way. Peace can arrive in the form of soothing words that say, "Peace, be still." Like Jesus calming winds and waves. Sometimes it's just like that, a miracle in our own lives that transforms us from that state of stress to an almost supernatural state of serenity. Healthcare professionals are continually telling us how stress is bad for us. They tell us that it contributes to heart disease, hypertension, and a number of other maladies. They tell us that we allow life to build up an unhealthy pressure until chronic health conditions lead us to suffer cardiac arrest, palpitations, and arrhythmia, and even strokes and aneurysms. It will pile up problems in our body until it ruins us with premature aging and terminal events. It does all of this while destroying our restfulness and harmony, conditions that are possible to maintain at all times, no matter of our circumstances. We must learn how to reduce conflict, replacing worry with hope, and placing productive progress in the seat that anxiety used to occupy. Not all of our problems can be solved, and many of them that can be solved takes time to reach that solution. Often, it is the small steps in the right direction that simply need to be repeated over and over that will lead us to resolution and satisfaction. Please don't wait. Do not wait until you reach the end of it. You can attain perfect peace at the state of the process. The automatic emotional reaction to bad news is a good thing, not to be avoided. It is the alarm that God hardwired into us to help us recognize problems that need to be fixed. But when the fix takes place, it takes time, and we cannot allow stress to remain throughout the entire process. It may be there at the beginning, and we need to use it to give us the extra energy that we need to tackle the problem and create a solution. But as soon as we figured it out, what we need to do and how we need to do it, and how we are determined to do it, our stress must be put away for later use. Peace must come quickly to give us that calmness that we need to implement the plan that will solve the problem. I am creating sessions for you that will help you better understand how to see into your future with confidence. As you learn how to picture the solution, keeping your eyes on that which has not yet become, but surely will. Peace will flood you. It is a product of the kind of faith said to be the substance of things hoped for. It is the ability to know that trouble will not last, that conflict can be resolved, that problems are only temporarily unless we allow them to take over our lives. Our past experiences are full of examples of how our troubles, having come and gone, what had seemed to destroy us, then it really didn't. What had made us freak out, crazy, upset, angry, desperate, despairing, or even suicidal in our past has turned out to be comparatively a bump in the road of life. I will continue to provide you solid information that will improve your physical and mental health. I will produce new materials that will be the good counsel that you need to find peace in the midst of your storms. You will begin to believe with all of your heart that God has good things planned for you, that you have inner strength sufficient to deal with the worst that life throws at you, and that your future is indeed bright. Look forward, always keeping your focus on the light at the end of whatever dark tunnel you find yourself in. It will result in a peace that you do not understand, but that you can embrace with a huge smile on your face while the world seems to be falling down around you. We are that strong when we have perfect peace. Thank you so much for allowing me to be a part of your day with Life Points with Rhonda. If you've not already visited rhondafoster.com or signed up for my free quarterly newsletter, please do so now. Bless you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and remember to take care, to always be well.